Cash salary 66,000, performance bonus 86,000. 86,100. Hi guys, welcome to the village. My name is Boni. I create content around careers, education with a dose of reality check. Today we are looking at human resources related pay slips or salaries. We are in the HR industry. we want to see those people who've been making all these decisions about our salaries. We want to see today how much are those people earning. Get ready for chest pains. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I know you'll find value. Trust me, I know you'll find value. And also make use of the playlist. That's where you can find other pay slips, okay? And when you get to a video, just go to a pinned comment. That's where you're gonna find your timestamps. Otherwise, I think all my videos, they have chapters, so you can see the video from outside. It will show you chapters and you can see what you are looking for. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much for supporting this village. I see we are very close to 18,000. I'm sure by the time I upload this, we would have reached 18,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for your support. Today you can expect, or in this video you can expect, a payroll admin, someone who works in HR but they have industrial psychology degree, HR officer, HR generalist, yes. I'm getting tongue twisted there. A HR business manager. For this HR business manager, we have 2 pay slips, and then another HR officer, and someone who did Bcom HR management, but they do something totally different. So I thought, you know what, maybe this might help someone get some ideas. Someone who's struggling maybe to find a job in HR, maybe this will get them some ideas. Okay, now let's start with payroll admin. Hi Boni, I would like to share my payslip with you. I'm in payroll in the private sector. I have a diploma in HR, a payroll administrator with 6 years experience. Okay, 6 years experience, and she's got a diploma. Right, cash component 36,000 rands, and then total company contributions is 6,000 rand. She's got like her medical aid and her pension fund and stuff. Okay, this is a good deal. Total earnings is okay, do I have total earnings? No, I don't. There's deductions and then a net pay of 25,300 and something. That's someone, or a payroll administrator with 6 years experience, diploma in HR. I am happy with this one. I don't know how the village feels about this one. Okay, now let's see Usisi Owenze industrial psychology. Okay. Hi Boni, do you still remember me? I commented in one of your TikToks and I said that I got a job after a week completing my degree industrial psychology. So I'm in a graduate program and I would like to share my payslip, one with overtime and one without overtime. I have 6 months experience in HR. Wow. She got a job. She got, this is a graduate program, okay? Within a week. This one, she must tell us her marks. She must tell us her marks. How were her marks? I can see from the name of this company, she's in production. Okay, so I assume this is why there is overtime, because she works in production. This company pays well, I know them. I've seen people mentioning that this company pays well. Okay, normal pay 29,861, car allowance 2,560, gross earnings 32,421, total deductions 8,600, net pay of 23,775. Wow! This is good, guys. This is good. And job description says graduate trainee HR. Let's see this one with some overtime. All right. Normal pay 29,800. Overtime 17,000. Car allowance 2,500. Gross earnings 49,476. Total deductions 14,000 and a net pay of 34,964. Graduate trainee in HR. Yobana. Guys, nithola phela umsebenzi. Guys, they must plug us. They need to plug us. Yeah. I'm waiting for these comments. Let's look at the HR officer, guys. I'm getting chest pains. Hi, Boni. Just want to share the municipality HR officer payslip with you and fellow TikTokers. This position reports to functional head with regular pay. Okay. Let's see. She works for a big municipality, guys. I can see the name of the municipality. It's a big municipality. This municipality pays well. Okay. Regular pay 46,600. And then there's something here 4,800. I think it's an acting allowance. Yes. Total earnings 52,500. What is the net pay, dear? Okay, there's a lot of deductions, but she did not show us the net pay. Okay, so yeah, but guys, total earnings is 52,000, and then she's paying a tax, UAF and other things. Okay, but yeah, guys, I guess we can figure this one out. But irregular pay is 46,660. That's someone who is an HR officer, and they work for a municipality. Let's look at HR generalist. Guys, you know me, I can't pronounce R. Okay, darling. Let's see. She's got a diploma in HR management. Okay, she's got a diploma in HR management. Okay, salary is 45,272, and there's provident fund and other benefits. A total earnings of 49,762, and then in net pay is 33,945. All right, that's a HR generalist. I did not get the number of experience, but I will DM her and ask her. So by the time I edit this video, I will put number of experience, right? Years of experience. Okay. Now let's see HR business manager. Okay, HR business manager sent me 2 payslips. Okay, from different months. The first one, it didn't have a bonus, and the second one has a bonus. Right, she's got 8 years experience in total with an honors degree in business management, specializing in HR. All right, I'm gonna stress. Anyway, so let's see the first one without a bonus. Okay. Cash salary 62,000, phone allowance 500 rands, and then net pay is 40,527, right? After my deductions, this one has no bonus. Okay, and then the second one has bonus. Cash salary 66,000, performance bonus 86,000. Oh, 86,100. Phone allowance 500 rand. Total earnings 153. Total deductions 108. Haibo. And a net pay of 44,420. Haibo, guys, kanjani now? Because the tax is there's something here that was deducted called advance recovery 50,809. I don't know what that means. And then the tax is 49,000. So this is why deductions are 108,000 and a net pay of 44,420. All right, 8 years experience. She's an HR business manager, this one, okay? Let's look at HR officer. Are we getting chest pains? These people, they're responsible for our pay slips, for these pay slips. They're the ones who see your pay slips and then they say, yeah, why did you send your pay slip to that pay slip late? Hi Boni, I have matric, recently did human resources management, but I got this job through learnership. I was hired with a matric certificate. Then after that, she did human resource and industrial relations. Okay, so she's got living out allowance for daily lunches. Traveling allowance was for employees who travel home. I'm from Joburg, that time working in Limpopo. Okay. I'm waiting for people to correct me. Right. So she's a HR. So her position now is human resources and industrial relations. Okay. Right. Let's see. But she says she got this through a learnership. Normal pay 14,500. Then there's overtime 8,662. Sunday time 4,000. Public holiday 766. And then another public holiday. Total earnings 29,657. Okay, total PEX 1,000. Total company contributions 5,100. A net salary of 24,505. Wow, I'm happy, guys. I'm happy considering that she got this job through a learnership. Hey guys, some people are blessed. I'm happy with this one. I don't know how the village feels about it. Guys, please like and share this video. I really appreciate your support. And let me know what other payslips would like us to feature here. And guys, please do send me your payslips as well. My email is xaba.bonisile@gmail.com, but please do not send me your CVs. that email is only for payslips. Right, so let's see a guy who did it become HR management. I told you guys they are not working with HR, but I just thought, let me just share it. Maybe you can get some ideas. I have a Bcom in human resources management, which has nothing to do with my role. But this year, through a bursary at work, I've started studying towards Bcom in information and technology management. So that's what she's doing. He or she. Right. Basic salary 164,000, deductions 57,000, net pay of 100 and net pay. So this person is a senior specialist for business operations support and has 3 years experience in this role as an operations manager, but he did his HR management, which has nothing to do with what he's doing, and he works for a big telecoms company. Wow. Guys, that's all I had for you today. Make use of the payslip series playlist. That's where you can see other payslips. Otherwise, if you haven't found what you are looking for, you can request it, and then maybe someone will see it. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.